Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to factory reset your Linkifun GT6 Android 12 Smart AI box. So, let's dive in. Firstly, plug your Linkifun GT6 device into your car's supported USB port. Wait until the device establishes a connection with your vehicle. Now, as the home screen appears on your car display, locate and tap on the Apps section or the icon with 4 quadrant symbols. Within the installed apps, scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on it to access the device's settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to System Settings. You might be prompted to enter a password. The default password is 0789. Enter it and tap OK. In the System Settings, you'll find the Factory Reset option. Simply tap on it to initiate the factory reset process. A list of all data that will be erased will be displayed. Confirm this action by tapping on Erase All Data. To finalize the reset, tap once more on Erase All Data. This will complete the process, and your Linkifun GT6 will be reset to its default settings. And there you have it! Your Linkifun GT6 Android 12 Smart AI box has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.